Unveil the magic of DIY electronics with the Shogini Toys auto-dimming car headlight kit. As you lift the lid, you're greeted with a single sheet manual brimming with instructions and a handy connection diagram. Nestled inside the box, discover the pre-wired and pre-programmed project, elegantly mounted on an acrylic board. The kit includes 2 LED modules and an LDR module, all pre-assembled on a breadboard and connected to a battery holder. Simply pop in 3 AA batteries, flick the switch, and voila! Your project springs to life, mimicking the functionality of a real-world auto-dimming car headlight. This ingenious mechanism automatically reduces the intensity of the headlight when another vehicle's headlights shine on it, a clever solution to reduce accidents caused by blinding lights. But the fun doesn't stop there. Use this kit to craft creative and attractive cardboard models for school science projects or exhibitions. It's not just about building, it's about understanding and applying real-world concepts in a fun and interactive way. So gear up, get building, and let your imagination run wild with the Shogini Toys auto-dimming car headlight DIY kit. Your journey into the world of electronics starts here.